Hello friends, welcome to class 5th EVS session. Last I explained about the dotted figure of heart given below and color to it. Heart is the structure of heart is like our fist, closed fist. It is little bit bigger than fist. So here you can color it. Then in how much have you learned for session? What would you like to become and why? What happens if soldier is not on border? You know that our country cannot be protected. Not an accident of national love told by your teacher. You have to note an incident, one event, one particular event about the national love, those who love the nation, told by your teacher, and you have to note it down. Then MCQs are there. Located between two lungs, blood circulation means circulation of air, circulation of food, or circulation of blood. That means it is circulation of blood. Lungs, between the two lungs, heart is located. Blood vessel is artery, trachea is a windpipe, esophagus is related with the breathing system. Then mark which are associated with the blood circulation: artery, lungs, vein, heart, etc. are located or associated in our body for the circulation of blood. Dear students, now we will move for lesson number 14, our Panchayat. Panch means the group of 5 people. Panch means even 5 people's group. Gathering, taking the decision what is right and what is wrong. That is called Panchayat. We ruled our country and it has become independent. Our government is also formed. Panchayati Raj came into existence, so work of the people in local area can become very easy. We are living in Mahua city. We have a municipal corporation. We have each constituency area wise municipal corporator. They solve our problem, make our work easy. In village level, Panchayat named local self-government institute is working. So it is a punch system. Study the map of district. If we study our Bhavnagar district's map, we have several talukas such as Mahua Taluka, Jesar Taluka, Palitana Taluka, Gajda Taluka, and this taluka have a lot of villages. Approximately in each taluka 30 to 60 villages or 25 to 50 villages are there. This taluka is managed by the taluka level committee called Taluka Panchayat, and Taluka Panchayat have an office, TDO, Taluka Development Officer is the head of this. Many talukas are formed and even district is made. There DDO is the head in government office, District Development Officer. You can see near Gandhi Bagh we have Taluka Panchayat office, and we oftenly go there to solve our local level problems. If we want some certificates, if we want some land measurement, if we want domicile certificates, variety of certificates we can get from ATVT center. That means આપણો તાલુકો vibrant તાલુકો. This ATVT center is supporting for solving our taluka level problems, and we get lot of certificate from it, birth certificate related, income certificate, and after taking lot of things from outside, we fill the form and approach there, they are issuing. It is the best service given by the government of Gujarat. Next comes one observation is given, one picture is given. In this picture, what we have to do, that we shall talk it to the our next session. Till then, I remain here.